Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook deep fried fish with chili garlic oil. I have one whole sea bass fish or ikan sekap. This weight about 800 gram. Some parsley and spring onion. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of garlic oil. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 2.5 tablespoons of chili garlic oil. This is homemade chili garlic oil. How it looks like. I have uploaded this video before. You can look out on how to make the chili garlic oil. I will share the link down below this video as well. And I have some tapioca flour and I'll be using a bit of water. Ingredients I have already prepared. I like to start off with marinating the fish with salt. To marinate the fish, just on the cut here a bit. And now I'm going to sprinkle it with tapioca flour. Alright, once we put the flour on the fish, I don't like to put it back down into the plate because the plate is quite wet. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in the hot oil. I have prepared the hot oil here. Make sure that the oil must be really very hot. We put it inside. Once you place the fish in, right, we will not turn it until the fish is cooked. So make sure when you put the fish in, you can position it correctly. And I'm going to cover with the netting and set the time for 8 minutes. While waiting for the fish to cook, we're going to prepare the sauce. Put in the garlic oil, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, and the chili garlic oil. Switch on the heat. Give it a stir. Put in 2 tablespoons of water and bring it to boil. I have forgotten about one more ingredient, which is half tablespoon of sugar. For this recipe, right, it's supposed to be spicy, salty and sweet. So half tablespoon of sugar in. Give it a mix. Now you can give it a taste. Wow, this is delicious. At this stage, if you want to add in more seasoning like sugar or soy sauce or oyster sauce, you can do so. But for this one, it's okay. So I'm going to switch off the heat. Add in some spring onions and parsley. Give it a mix. And put it aside. Time's up. It's 8 minutes. So I'm going to switch on the heat again. Now we want to check on the fish. If the fish is ready or is cooked, right, we should be able to move it from the pan easily, like that. Look at that. So if cook it like that, it will not get stuck on the bottom of the pan. So now we're going to flip the fish. So we're going to cook this side for another 7 minutes. Time's up. So I'm going to continue with the heat for a bit. We need to check whether the fish is ready. We can move it. Alright, it's able to move. So fish is ready. I'm going to switch off the heat and take it out from the oil. Okay, now we're going to pour in the sauce. It looks so yummy. Now we can put in some spring onions. The fish looks so yummy. Let's try. Take a bit of fish, a bit of chili. Wow, so delicious. The fish is crispy from the outside and the inside is so soft, and the sauce is spicy, salty, sweet, and very nice fragrance of the chili garlic oil, and it blends so well with deep fried fish, and it is so appetizing. It's simple to cook and can be enjoyable for the whole family. Do give it a try and share the comment down below. I love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and remember to subscribe for more of my simple home cooked food like this. Thank you and bye bye.